Mnemonics just got listed this morning, about 37 minutes ago. And due to the way the listing price was poor compared to the allocation people got, I'm receiving a lot of questions in my group like, do I sell my coins now or should I hold? And I understand where this question is coming from is people are still thinking maybe when you hold your coin, it might appreciate later on and then you sell at a good price or whatever. I'm going to be giving you what I did personally in this video. But before I do that, for those of you that have not withdrawn your mnemonics yet, you still have a chance to do that. Let's say, for instance, you missed the opportunity to withdraw to an exchange. They open an on-chain withdrawal this morning, so you can withdraw to your Ton wallet. And all you simply have to do is open up your mnemonics, and you're going to get this withdraw button here. Withdraw to Ton wallet. So once you click on it, you'll be able to withdraw. But before you do this, you must have minimum of 3,000 mnemonics before you'll be eligible to withdraw. And I think everybody should have above that. So now back to our main question: should you sell or should you hold your mnemonics? This is not a financial advice, so I'm just going to tell you what I personally did. If you notice, mnemonics got listed at I think 0.001. Let me open up this chart. Let's see what is on the page. All right, as you can see, mnemonics got listed at 0.0009, or I can approximate it to 0.001. And immediately, not up to 5 minutes, the thing dumped. As you can see, this is the current price and it's still dumping. So the thing dumped to about 0.0004 thereabouts. I had just 6,000 mnemonics. Yes, that's because I did not really take the project serious. I was on serious with it, so I had a very low value and I didn't even get a chance to claim all of my coins. So the little I claimed was just 6,000 mnemonics. So at that listing price, when it dumped to around 0.0005, I think the price was still a little bit better. So I sold my whole 6,000 mnemonics. And then I waited. As you can see, it has dumped currently and it's still dumping. Now the zeros have become 4. So when it dumped a little bit, my thinking was that it won't go below that. But unfortunately, as you can see, it is going below. So I sold all my 6,000 mnemonics, and when the price came down very well, I now bought the mnemonics again. Look at, I bought again. Now I have from 6,000 mnemonics, I now have 19,295. So here's what I'll do. I'm still holding because there is nothing I want to use this 1.95 or $2 worth of mnemonics to do. So there is no point in selling. What do I need it for? Instead, let's see what the future holds, especially this bull run. Let's see what the future holds for these mnemonics. And that is why I made the choice that I made. I am holding my mnemonics as for now, and I still believe the project has a good future. The price might still later rise. And note, this is all just predictions, my own predictions. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. You can use the link in the description box of this video if you are watching from YouTube to join my Telegram channel and share these videos to others. Also, let a lot of other people get to know about this update.